everyone. Today we will be demonstrating you how we managed to bring our clients from various industries to the top of search engine rank page.
Before starting off, we would like to introduce you to Assert IT Solutions, an award-winning digital marketing agency that focuses on achieving growth-oriented, tangible results for their businesses.
We have a team of digital marketers and developers who excel at their job to give your ranking a sure shot.
Now let's fractionate our approach for our latest SEO projects.
Before starting, let's throw some light on the challenges that businesses face from SEO perspective. Challenges to ranking, strategy issues, lack of resources, and scaling processes.
Now, we will walk you through some clients and how we have helped them overcome these challenges and implement the best SEO results.
One of our clients from the education industry is IPM Group of Institutions, a higher education institute in Delhi NCR.
The client's vision was to get more organic and local traffic to the website and be on the top of SERP.
We use the following strategies to clock up the maximum output. Improve local SEO to earn local audience, targeted students and parents from different demographics, delivered the voice of the college to nurture trust and credibility, worked on user experience, keyword ranking, page speed, and internal linking.
Further, since our client catered to the career needs of the students, we created engaging and informative blogs that students tend to search online.
We worked on over 50 blogs in a month, and these blogs rank on the first page of Google and brought a great deal of traffic.
Informational blogs like Career Guide for Law Professionals, How MBA Degree Helps You to Become a Successful Businessman, and Top Books to Read for a Successful Career in Law are some of our blogs that rank on the first page of Google. Our strategy was to engage maximum students and turn them into possible prospects.
Apparently, our industry specific strategy turned out to be a boom and resulted into
3x traffic on website in 6 months,
70% boost in ranking,
500 plus daily website visitors,
and 45% high conversion rate.
One of our clients, 𝓸𝓻𝓮, is built on an e-commerce platform and provides a complete tire solution for all luxury cars.
The vision of 𝓸𝓻𝓮 was crystal clear. They wanted to top the SERP for most of the related keywords, thereby improving their online reach and sales.
To cater this, we brainstormed the best strategies and targeted niche audience to garner authentic results, built strategies around services and their USP, focused on retaining visitors and clients, and improved site performance to enhance engagement rate.
After implementing these strategies, we've got the most relevant keywords for their business on the first page.
For instance, while searching car tires online on Google, you will see our client 𝓸𝓻𝓮 on the first position of the Google search page.
Similarly, for most of the similar keywords, 𝓸𝓻𝓮 ranks amongst the top.
Our efforts were well appreciated by the client and resulted into
Improved keyword rankings and domain authority,
3x more ROI, conversions and organic visibility,
decreased bounce rate.
and 75% hike in online customers.
These are some of the clients who collaborated with Assert IT to meet their online business prospects.
So do you also want to improve your SEO results?
Reach out to Assert IT to get highly customized and business-oriented SEO results and ranking.